this is a special recipe using the easy palappam podi. It is available in most of the Asian store. All you have to do is add a cup of water and mix it together and keep it aside, right? That's the instruction. But what I did was I added a cup of rava, which is semolina, to this to make the consistency a little bit more thicker. As you can see, the consistency is a little bit more thicker. But when you make appam, it's very nice and crispier. So I added half cup of coconut milk instead of water, and half to 1 cup of rava to make the consistency more crispier and thicker. And look what happened. It came out really nice. Some people like it soft, some people like it crispier. It goes with all kinds of chutney, like coconut chutney or even beef curry. So I am using this with beef curry, so it's going to be soggy when you put those gravy. So this is a little crispy version of the palappam. Try it. It's really good.